Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm trying my hands on a special festival sweet recipe. It's really interesting to make. This is Suryakala sweet. This sweet looks so beautiful and it tastes even better. So let's start making. First let's start with preparing the dough. Into a bowl add in some all-purpose flour with some salt and mix it. Add in some ghee and mix it with the flour. If you can hold the flour like this, then start adding some water. Add water little by little and make it into a stiff dough. You can knead this for around 2 minutes and apply some ghee on top of it. Cover it and let it rest for around 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. Into a pan add some ghee, add some chopped and powdered nuts. Saute it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in some milk powder. So in this we are not adding any mawa. Instead we are making the filling with milk powder and some milk. After roasting it for around 2 to 3 minutes, add in some milk and mix it. Once it turns into a thicker consistency like this, turn off the flame. Add it into another bowl and let it cool down. While our stuffing cools down, let's prepare the sugar syrup. Into a pan add some sugar and water. Add some cardamom powder and mix it. Allow it to boil and let the sugar melt completely. Once the sugar syrup turns into a sticky consistency, turn off the flame. Add few drops of lemon juice and keep it aside. Now our stuffing has cooled down. Add in some cardamom powder into it. Add some desiccated coconut and some Bura Sugar. Give it a mix. The recipe for the Bura Sugar is already there in my channel. Check the description or click the I button above for the recipe link. Slightly knead it with your hands and make small balls for the stuffing. Now our stuffing is ready, sugar syrup is also ready. Let's make the Suryakala sweets. So take half of the dough and roll it out. Don't roll it out into too thin sheets. I'm keeping it slightly thicker so that it'll be easy to shape the Suryakalas. Now here I'm using a cookie cutter to cut out the circles. Now the size of the circles is completely depending upon the size of the sweets you need. Now take out the excess dough and place all these circles on a plate and cover it with a damp cloth so that it will not get dried up. Now all the circles are ready, let's start making the sweets. So take one circle, place the filling on top of it, apply some water on the sides. Now take another circle, place on top of this and press down the sides. The water will help to stick both the sheets together. Now slowly press down all the edges. Now to make the beautiful rope design on the sides, just twist it and press it. See how beautifully the design is forming. Now the beautiful Suryakala sweet has formed. Make the rest of the sweets in the same manner. If you feel you're not an expert in making these beautiful designs with your hands, try using the readily available molds in the market. Now instead of creating the rope design, you can simply press it down with a fork and create another design. Make sure to cover these sweets after making, or else it will get dried up. Now heat some oil and let's start frying the sweets. The heat should be from low to medium. After adding all the pieces, just wait for 2 to 3 seconds until it starts to float on the top. After that, we can start flipping each pieces. Keep flipping it in every 1 minute and fry it till it becomes this beautiful golden shade. After frying, directly add this into the sugar syrup and let it get soaked in the sugar syrup for 1 to 2 minutes. Once it is well soaked in sugar syrup, take it out and place it on a wire rack so that the excess sugar syrup will drip out. Our beautiful Suryakala sweets are ready. Serve these homemade Suryakala sweets to your friends and family and make your festivals more special. So do try out this wonderful recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.